Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Wet n Wild Megalast lip color. This is 24 karat gold. I use this for my poison ivy costume. I needed some bright red lips, and when I bought this, I'm not going to lie, I thought this was more red than it is, but it's a sort of orangey red, and I realized that after I bought it, but it turns out that it worked really well for my costume, and I blended it with some dark lipstick as well, some dark red, and it looked perfect for it. But alone, it's still very beautiful. It's a great summery, vibrant color. I bought it about 3 weeks ago. That's when Comic-Con was, and it was perfect for my cosplay. It's great for different occasions. I have pale skin, and I love how this color makes my eyes pop, and it adds to my look, and it's just very refreshing. I've gotten many compliments on it. It's just a great, vibrant, colorful lip color. It is a very creamy texture. It's not oily. I don't wear this every day. I have a lot of different lipstick to choose from. It's great as a fill-in lipstick if you use lip liner, but it also works just as well on its own. I would travel with this. It also fits in my purse. It comes in this black tube with a clear top that kind of just pops off like that. And I'm actually going to show you. It rotates like this, and it's hard with one hand, but as you can see, it's a pretty vibrant color. It's pretty smooth, and it's just really easy to maneuver. Maybe not on a piece of paper, but it definitely worked for my lips. It works great for different looks. I keep it with my other lipsticks in my makeup. It's easy to remove. At the end of the day, it does kind of color your lips, so if the vibrancy wears off a little bit, your lips still look like they have color to them. It's 0.11 fluid ounces, very smooth application. They claim to have a 4-hour longevity when it comes to how long you can wear it and how long it lasts. It's semi-matte, and it is made with marine plant extracts and vitamin A and E, and it is the winner of Allure, the Best Beauty Award, so that's pretty cool. It's an award-winning lipstick. It doesn't stick to my teeth too much, and I don't have to worry about that. They make many other colors, including Sandstorm, Mochalicious, Tinkerbell, Rosebud, Bear It All. Those are just some of them. They have quite a variety of colors to choose from. They only make cruelty-free products, so this is cruelty-free. Wet n Wild is based in Los Angeles, California. They make a lot of different makeup and cosmetic supplies and materials. Wet n Wild launched in 1979 in Brooklyn, but they relocated to Los Angeles in 2003. So they're a really well-known company. A lot of celebrities use this brand, and I just love this particular lipstick, but definitely check out everything else that they offer and that they make. It's a great gift idea for someone who likes makeup. Thank you so much for watching this video.